And she's royal, yeah, so royal.
Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Look, y'all. So it's your girl, she's Royal 85, and I want to come to you guys real quick and show y'all what my hair looks like straight out of the bed, straight just getting up. And as you can see, it's just really smashed to my head, really matted still. Today is actually 4 weeks of me being or going freeform. So 4 weeks, you guys, that I've been trying and trusting in this process. And yeah, I'm grateful for this process, don't get me wrong. Like, I'm really enjoying my little journey. I don't know. I'm not worried about what other people think, but sometimes I don't like going outside into the world because this is what I am left with. All I can do with it, because literally, y'all, it's so shriveled up, so matted. All I can do is put it back, and even sometimes that don't even work. So yeah, this is my hair. But on the flip side, your girl has a lock. Like, this is a real lock. And then this one looks like it's forming into something. And then look at this right here. Like, these are locks. And this little thing is forming into something. So again, that's in the back. This might be forming into something. And like, they're all different sizes. They're gonna be big. And I'm fine with it. Like, I don't mind having congos and big things happening. So this is it, 4 weeks. Today is wash day. It's just standing up on my head. My hair is just doing what it wants to freaking do, and I'm okay with that. I'm definitely okay with that. Like I said, today is wash day for me because it's been, you know, usually I wash on Saturdays. It's Saturday, so yeah, I'm gonna wash it. And sometimes when I wash it, it looks a little bit better or just different. I like it when it's freshly washed. I haven't been spritzing it with water and oil lately. I really haven't, and I don't even know why. I just don't feel like it. And y'all gotta listen, this is the real with me. Like, I woke up just to show y'all this. But yeah, I'll do a spin one more time. 4 weeks in, shawty. And I already got like locks in the back, and it's so crazy. Okay, yeah, so I just want to tell y'all real quick. So these locks in the back. Now, mind you, I think I told y'all, like, my hair in the back is my looser texture. So for it to like mat up like this is crazy to me. Like, this is a full lock. Like, this is a lot. And the fact that this is becoming one, and that this is about to become one, and this is my back, so it's amazing to me. But yeah, you guys, 4 weeks 4 weeks free lock. I mean, free forming. But yeah, I'm gonna hop in the shower and maybe get my life too. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.
Thanks for tuning in, guys. Check out my last video and don't forget to subscribe.